Hey guys, welcome to Allji Easyji.
Yeah, welcome to Allji Easyji. Here, you will find tutorials like these and entertaining content in shorts.
Ever wondered how those AI-generated mini worker videos are going viral on YouTube and Instagram?
Because they are visually engaging, unique, and loop perfectly on Instagram and YouTube.
You can create them 100% for free using AI tools.
That means without wasting money, yeah?
You're right. But here's the deal. Miss a step, and you might not get the same results.
So, stay till the end and follow along. Let's jump in. Step 1. Mastering the perfect AI prompts.
To get top-tier results, you need the right prompts.
I've already put together a master prompt list which you will find in the description.
That'll help you instantly generate the best AI images and videos using ChatGPT.
First, copy and paste my both master prompts into ChatGPT, and hit enter.
Let it generate some text for you. Now, type the topic and mention how many scenes you want, just like this one.
What makes a good AI prompt?
Clear subject. Define exactly what you want. I've got 6 high-quality prompts ready to go. Don't close this tab. You'll need these for the next steps. Now that the prompt is ready, the next step is generating high-quality AI images.
Step 2. Generating AI images. For this step, go to Leonardo AI, link in the description.
Now, go back to ChatGPT, copy the prompt, and paste it into Leonardo AI.
Change the model to Phoenix 1.0.
Change the aspect ratio to mobile, that is 9:16.
And click Generate Image.
Now, wait for some time for Leonardo AI to generate the image.
Yeah, patience is the key to success.
Now that the Leonardo AI has finished generating the image,
choose the image you like, hover on that image, and hit on the download button.
And it will be saved to your computer.
Oh, yes.
What?
The image generation process is over.
Ha ha, yeah, he's right. The image generation process is over.
Step 3. Turning AI images into animated videos.
For the step 3, we're gonna use Kling AI to convert the static images into engaging animated videos.
First, go to Kling AI, link in the description.
Drag and drop the generated image.
Paste in the same prompt which you used for generating that particular image.
And hit generate.
You can even play with the settings.
Ha ha, yeah, you can do so.
2,000 years later.
Now, the video is ready.
You can download it by clicking the download button. Hooray!
Why are you so happy?
Everything is over, right?
No, it's time for the last step to come.
Oh, I nearly forgot it. Step 4. Editing.
Editing is the main part to make the video stand out.
And to remove the watermark as well.
Yeah, we will teach you how to remove the watermark and add suitable music too.
Music. For the music, we have given the link titled Music Link.
Okay, first things first. Click on the link.
And you can download it by clicking here.
Now, it's time to combine the music to the video and remove the watermark.
There are many editing softwares to do it, but we are doing basic editing. Canva is more than enough, right?
Yeah.
Just open the link in the description, sign up, and you will find an interface like this.
Here, click Create a Design, search for YouTube Shorts, and select this.
Now, go to the Upload section, and drag and drop all the audio and video files.
And it will be uploaded to Canva.
Now, drag and drop the first clip like this.
Adjust the video like this. So the watermark in the video will be hidden.
A few moments later.
In the audio section, click on the audio to add it to the page.
Shorten the video to 2.4 seconds to match it with the audio.
Do this for all the clips.
12 seconds later.
Now, let's add transitions between the clips.
Hover between two clips and click Add Transition.
Choose the transition you like.
Hey, I personally like the chop one.
Okay, as your wish, let's choose the chop transition.
Do this for all the clips.
Now, let us add the title at the starting of the video.
For this, go to the text section.
Click Add a heading.
Type in your title. Don't forget to add emojis to make it visually appealing.
Adjust the size and the position.
Go to the Effects option and select Background.
Change the color to white.
Change the title duration to 1.5 seconds. Yahoo!
What?
Now everything is over.
Who said?
I said.
Then who will save the video to make it ready to upload on YouTube Shorts and Instagram Reels?
Oh, yeah, then let's download the video.
Okay, for that, click on Share at the top right corner, and click on Download.
Again, click on Download. Thank you for watching until the end.
Bye.